Today we're going to talk about how to set up Shopify multi-language stores. So to be able to set up your online store or your Shopify to be a multi-language, you're going to have to click on settings over here below on the bottom left. And when you select this, of course, it will show us the pop-up over here on the left side. So simply look over here, look for the option languages over here on the left side. Then simply select that and we will be able to preview the settings for the languages. So after that, you're simply going to click on add language, of course, to be able to add the language that you want. Click on select, then simply select the language that you want, of course. For example, Japanese. Click on add. Now this will automatically install this application over here, or it will require us. So let's click on install so that our store will adapt to the content. And let's wait for it to verify. And as you can see here, we're simply going to verify the installation of this Translate and Adapt app. So let's wait for it to load. But I think it's already installed. So after installing this, as you can see here, we have the auto translate. So simply click on auto translate. Click on auto translate. There we go. And it will translate our content. So let's simply wait for it to load and finish up. And currently it's unpublished, but there we go. Then we can click on view store and we will be able to view our store. But it's not Japanese yet. But there should be an option that we will be able to change our language. So let's go to our home bar over here. Or you can click on view store in Japanese. Let's see if it will work. It's not working properly. So let's try if we will be able to change our settings over here. Right now it's Japanese. So what we can do is we're going to translate this. Click on the G bar, click on publish. And there we go. Our language has not been published. So what we can do is we could click on preview. And now there will be a different version of our store, as you can see, but this time in a different language. And then you will be able to change the language over here on the left side. And it will also appear when you actually preview this as a customer. This option would also appear for you. You will be able to also change the language through that method. Then you could look for another language. You could add over here. Maybe let's say Korean. You could do the same process. And the process is very similar. Simply click on add, and then simply click on three dots, publish, and it will, of course, publish into your output over here. And then you will be able to, of course, simply preview it, and you will be able to see that your language is now a multi-language platform.